How to link your League of Legends account with Riot Client Account. On your browser, search for Account Migration League of Legends, or type in accountmigration.leagueoflegends.com on your browser. You will be brought to this page. Start linking. Click on this. Log in with your old Garena account. To be able to link, you have to create a Riot account. After creating Riot account, you can now link both accounts. There, your Garena and Riot accounts are now linked. You can now download the Riot client. Thanks for watching.